with our personal prayers for ourselves, our families, and our world, let us place the lotus flower afloat. As soon as the flower touches the water, it will illuminate.
Shri Ganga Pujanam संयुक्तारपदेशेत्र सनातन सुमन्दिरे लोक पावनि हे गंगे जलेस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु। ॐ श्री गंगायै नमः। श्री गंगाम् आवाहयामि स्थापयामि नमस्करोमि।